Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds QCY Buds ANC from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the last line we have a button, forget the device, and we need to tap on it to unpair these earbuds from the phone. But if you need to only stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but left it at the device list, I recommend it to select disconnect. But let's move to totally remove it from the phone, so forget the device and forget device. After that you can put your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.